Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. Allows you to brew 6+ cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. The water reservoir is removable, making it easy to refill whenever you need to. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Certified Refurbished. Keurig takes great pride in the quality of all of our products, including this certified refurbished unit. While these machines or their packaging may have minor scratches or imperfections on their exterior, you can be assured that your Keurig coffee maker will perform like new. Number 2. Brews multiple K-cup pod sizes, 6, 8, 10 ounces. The most popular K-cup pod brew sizes. Use the 6 ounces brew size to achieve the strongest brew. Number 3. Descaling, an important part of cleaning your Keurig brewer. This process helps to remove calcium deposits, or scales that can build up inside a coffee maker over time. Number 4. Auto Off. An auto off feature is easily programmed to turn off your coffee maker after it has been idle for 2 hours, helping to save energy. Number 5. Simple button controls. Just insert a pod, select your desired cup brew size, and brew a great tasting cup in under a minute. Number 6. Removable drip tray. Accommodates travel mugs up to 7.1 inches tall and is top rack dishwasher safe. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can I adjust the size of my beverage? Answer: yes. Simple icons on the Classic Series brewers make it easy to select from 6, 8, and 10 ounces brew sizes. And indicator lights guide you through the brewing process. Question number 2. How often do I need to descale my brewer? Answer: calcium deposits or scale may build up in your brewer and hinder your brewer performance. Regularly descaling your brewer every 3 to 6 months helps prevent this from occurring. Question number 3. Can I change the internal temperature of my Keurig K Classic coffee maker? Answer: no, the internal water temperature cannot be adjusted on the K Classic model. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.